Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're scrolling right now, you know iPhone 17 is blowing up. It's the hottest trend on X, Google, and everywhere else today. Apple just unveiled the entire lineup at their Epic event, and trust me, it's packed with game changers like the ultra-thin iPhone Air and AI smarts that everyone's searching for. But is it worth ditching your iPhone 16? Stick around. I'll break down everything: specs, prices, release date, and what you're actually Googling about it. If you're upgrading, drop a fire emoji in the comments. Let's dive in.
First things first, Apple ditched the Plus model this year. No more awkward middle child. Instead, we've got for bangers, iPhone 17 base model. The everyday hero starting at $799. Bigger 6.3-inch screen, but slimmer bezels for that premium feel. iPhone 17 Air. This is the star everyone's buzzing about, the thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.6 millimeters thick. It's like they squished a Pro into a featherweight body, priced at $999. Perfect for one-handed use without the bulk. iPhone 17 Pro, 6.3-inch beast with titanium vibes. No, aluminum chassis this time for lighter weight, starting around $1,099. iPhone 17 Pro Max, the king at 6.9 inches, up to 2 terabytes storage, for $1,199 and up. Pre-orders kick off September 12th, and they hit stores September 19th. Mark your calendars if you're searching iPhone 17 release date. No more waiting games.
Design-wise, Apple went all in on thinner is better. The iPhone Air is a revolution -5.6 thin means it slips into any pocket like magic. But battery life's still killer at up to 40 hours of video playback. People are searching iPhone 17 thin non-stop because it's lighter than your old flip phone dreams. Colors, fresh vibes, purple and green for the base. Sierra Blue making a comeback on Pro. That lab leak was spot on, plus the usual black, white, and desert titanium. No more two-tone gradients on Pro, keeping it sleek. Displays. All models get promotion 120 Hz for buttery scrolling. Yes, even the base iPhone 17. Brighter old screens up to 2000 nits, and scratch-resistant glass that's tougher than ever. If you're Googling iPhone 17 screen upgrade, this is why 70% of users are planning to jump ship from older models. One catch is SIM-only worldwide, no physical SIM tray. If that's a deal-breaker, holler in the comments.
Heart of the beast, the A19 chip on base models and A19 Pro on the high end. Faster than the A18 by 30%, with better AI processing for Apple Intelligence features like real-time text translation and smarter Siri. iOS 26 drops September 15 for free on all compatible iPhones. Everyone's searching iPhone 17 AI because it's finally catching up to the hype. Battery. Massive wins, up to 40 hours on the Air despite the thinness, thanks to efficient chips, and bigger cells 3,600 mAh on base. Wired charging jumps to 305, full charge in under an hour. Wireless, still MagSafe at 105, but rumors of faster Qi 2 were spot on. On X, folks are raving, battery lasts forever. But some say it's no match for Samsung S25 Ultra's endurance. What do you think? Upgrade bait or meh?
Cameras are where searches explode. iPhone 17 camera specs is trending hard. Base model gets a 48MP main sensor with upgraded ultra-wide and a 2MP front cam for epic selfies by Notch Vibes with center stage. Pro models, triple 48MP setup, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto with 4x optical zoom. New liquid glass effects for pro-level portraits and 8K video recording. Low light, insanely better thanks to bigger sensors. If you're into vlogging or Insta, this is your sign, but is the Pro Zoom enough versus Pixel 10? Let me know below.
You guys are all over this. Top searches? iPhone 17 versus 16, smoother display wins. Price in India, UK, expect 5100 hikes internationally. Colors 20 to 5, purple's a fave, and battery life 40 hours has everyone hyped. On X, it's mixed some love the thin Air finally slim, others roast the $2,000 Pro Max as overpriced versus Samsung. Pros, thinner, faster, AI ready. Cons, eSIM only might annoy travelers, and no foldable yet coming 2026. If you have an iPhone 13 or older, upgrade now. iPhone 16 owners? Wait if you want the Air's wow factor.
Full prices. iPhone 17 $799 128 gigabytes, up to $1,099 for 512 gigabytes. Air $999 base, Pro $1,099, Pro Max $1,199, to 2 terabytes hits $2,000. Yeah, that's wallet pain. New accessories. Crossbody strap for $99 magnetic. Duh, clear cases with funky Apple logo tweaks $49, and AirPods Pro 3 for better noise cancel. Verdict: iPhone 17 isn't revolutionary like the original, but the Air and 120Hz everywhere make it a solid upgrade. If AI and thinness excite you, pre-order Friday.
There you have it, iPhone 17 decoded. What feature has you most hyped? Comment Air or Pro below, smash like if this helped, and subscribe for hands-on reviews next week. Turn on notifications. We got Apple Watch 11 and AirPods Pro 3 coming up. Thanks for watching. Peace out.